A little known certainty about onions is that their juice can help hair from diminishing and from dropping out. Onions have a high measure of sulfur in them. Since sulfur assists with your blood flow, it can likewise enable your hair to develop and repair. One of the principal things required for hair to develop is sulfur, which is contained in a considerable measure of amino acids that assemble proteins. As you may know, protein is basic in hair development. Keratin is likewise a protein that has a high measure of sulfuric amino acids. Researchers have demonstrated that onions help with male pattern baldness and other hair issues, for example, dandruff, diseases, and untimely praying. In this video, we will give you a formula utilizing onion squeeze and nectar to treat male pattern baldness, as well as will leave your hair smooth and sparkly. Nectar has numerous purging properties and saturates. Things you will require: 1 onion, honey, a blender, a strainer, a bowl, a fundamental oil of your decision, discretionary. Steps: peel, hack and mix an onion. Put the mixed mash into a strainer. Using a spoon, press the mash to extricate the juice. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of nectar to the onion juice. Optionally, include a couple of drops of a basic oil, for example, lavender oil. The most effective method to utilize: massage your uncovered patches or your whole scalp with this blend. Cover your hair with a shower top and abandon it on overnight, or if nothing else for 30 minutes. Rinse your hair the following morning. Repeat day by day for a couple of months, or until the point when you are completely happy with the outcomes. Tips: instead of mixing the onion, you can grind it, and afterward extricate the juice. For pressing, you can utilize a cheesecloth rather than a strainer. You can likewise utilize a juicer. To keep your eyes from tearing or crying while at the same time cutting the onion, put the onion in the cooler for around 15 minutes and afterward slash it. If you need to include a fragrant fundamental oil, utilize rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or other comparative oils that advance hair development. You can likewise include lemon squeeze or rose water to cover solid possess a scent reminiscent of the onion. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.